Hi guys, this is a short video that shows the flap system after a lot of projecting and a lot of parts printed, 3D printed. As you can see, I redesigned the flap lever. This is stronger and heavier. This is the top of with the guide. Sorry for the focus. As I said, that all parts are 3D printed, and this is the trim indicator system with the motor and the 10 turns potentiometer. This is the motor, and I show the lever with the spring inside. The system is very fluent and easy to move. And this is the potentiometer on the exact range of for values. You have one step of a potentiometer. All of this movement will be programmed with the Arduino interface. And the next will be this one, the speed brake system, but I'll show it in the next video. Thank you very much, guys.